Hello, good morning. It's Brandon with 247health.com. I'm going to show you how to make overnight oats. One of a million different ways you can make these. Perfect snack. People are always looking for breakfast ideas. You can bring it to work, you can pack it in a cooler and take it with you, you can eat it cold, and you can basically put whatever you want into it to give yourself an awesome, healthy, whole grain snack or meal. All right, let's get started. All right, here you go. I got a half a cup of my oats in a jar. I got a leftover apple that I'm gonna cut up into small pieces and put that in there so this doesn't go to waste. You can put whatever you want in there. I'm also gonna put in a couple of prunes, 2 apricots, just chop them up. And for my milk, you can use water. I don't drink much milk anymore. If I do, I make my own nut milk, and I've made some almond slash cashew nut milk here is what I'm going to use to fill it up. And I actually made a smoothie this morning. I had a little bit of extra, so I'm going to pour a little bit of smoothie leftovers in there because it does actually have a little bit of extra protein. If you're concerned about getting a little bit of extra protein, most of us don't unless you're really working out hard, training very hard. You don't need the extra protein. The industry makes us think that we do, but in reality we don't if we are eating properly. I like to throw in some cinnamon for extra flavor. Some people like to put in a dash of salt. Put in my liquid smoothie, top it off with my homemade nut milk. There is a recipe on my website for that. Close it up, give it a shake, put it in the fridge overnight. You're good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, please leave a comment. Subscribe to the channel if you want to keep up to date. And download my free beginner's guide to better health down in the description. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.